Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Flora and today is Monday, 27 September. First of all, I want to apologize for my lesson today. I had some internet problems. So our lesson today was about farm animals, alright? And I can sing for you a song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack there quack everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here oink there, oink oink there, oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. So you can go and listen to the Old MacDonald song from YouTube. Alright? So let us begin on our lesson today. So our lesson, as I said before, is about farm animals. Animals that live in the farm, right? We have so many animals staying in the farm. For example, cow. Cow. It is a cow. One more time. Cow. It is a cow. Yeah. These are cows. Okay, that is the sound of a cow. One more time. All right. The next one is goat. Goat. It is a goat. One more time. It is a goat. And what sound does it make? All right. It is a goat. It's so funny, right? Okay. Next we have horse. Horse. It is a horse. One more time. It is a horse. That is the sound of a horse. Okay. One more time. All right. The next one is, what is that? Cat. Cat. It is a cat. It is a cat. And what sound does it make? All right. One more time. Yeah, a cat says meow. Yeah. Okay. The next one is sheep. It is a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Do you know? Like this. Ba. One more time. Ba. Right? Okay. The next one is hen. Hen. It is a hen. It is a hen. Alright? What sound does it make? Alright, one more time. Okay, very good. That is hen. Duck. Duck. It is a duck. It is a duck. What sound does it make? One more time. Okay. The next one is goose. Goose. It is a goose. It is a goose. What sound does it make? Next is pig. It is a pig. One more time. Pig. Pig. It is a pig. It is a pig. Alright? What sound does a pig make? One more time. Alright. Dog. Dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. And what sound does it make? One more time. Alright. That is a dog. It is a dog. Okay. So, one time, let us talk about farm animals. What is it? This one? It is a cow. Moo. Yeah, you can say the sounds the way you know how they. You can make the sounds of the animal by yourself, right? Goat. Goat. Meh. One more time. Meh. It is a goat, right? Horse. Horse. It is a horse. Cat. Cat. It is a cat. And what sound does it make? Right? The next one is sheep. Sheep. It is a sheep. What sound does it make? Bah. Hen. Hen. It is a hen. What sound does it make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Right? Okay. Duck. Duck. It is a duck. Duck. It is a duck. And what sound? Quack, 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 quack. Right? Pig. Pig. It is a pig. What sound does it make? Oink, oink, oink. Dog. It is a dog. And what sound does it make? Woof, woof, woof. Alright? So those are some of the farm animals. Alright? I hope you enjoyed that short video about farm animals. I will see you again tomorrow where we will sing some songs and also learn together. Alright? So have a nice day. Goodbye everyone and thank you.